What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. In the last videos, we'll be talking about that spoiler. So, boom, here it is. Not spoiler, duckbill. This is an OEM style duckbill that we're offering on the website, color match and in carbon fiber. Today, I'm gonna show you guys how to install this. Real quick, I already lined up the 3M double-sided tape already. I have a customer's car here already. If you want to take a look over there. By the way, he's running a really nice wheel setup, 18.5 plus 22 offset with a 255/35. Looks hella sick. Anyways, we're gonna get this installed. And then if you're interested in this product, the link is in the bar below. And use my discount code, guys. Save 5%. 5%. Let's go towards your wheels and other stuff. So yeah, I'm prepping the trunk right now. So I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna do on the trunk. And then all the tool you need is, I believe, an 8mm and a flathead. So let's get started. For your liner, which consists of 10 plastic clips. And then get your 8mm. There's 2 screws right here that's holding the spoiler up. So I'm just gonna go in there. Two little 8mm off, you just yank this off. And as you can see, there's some clips and holes. Pretty easy, snap this off. And I'm just gonna do a test fit real quick, just make sure everything lines up properly. As you can see, I know the car's a little dirty, but as you can see, it lines up pretty much perfect. Wow, it looks really good, guys. So I still got to 3M tape off, but I'm gonna get the trunk cleaned up first, and then just a rough estimate how it looks. Pretty sick. So I'm gonna lay this off to the side for now. Alright guys, so here you have it. So this will be the version 1. We're gonna work on version 2. We'll probably work on the hole placement to put the nuts and screws through the OEM holes. But for now, this is the version 1 with the 3M double-sided tape. It's not gonna go anywhere. It's pretty. I'm shaking the whole car right now, so it's not gonna go anywhere. You can tell the fitment's pretty good, spot on, 10 out of 10. Yeah, it's available for purchase or pre-order on the link below. So I think black matches with the, middle trim in the trunk right here. So very clean. Customer gonna be here for the Aero kit soon. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Would you rock this or would you rock the STI wings? I personally like the STI wings, but this is pretty clean. I like it. It's very nice. So yeah, that's it for this short install video. Hope you enjoy it. Catch you guys next time.